Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to learn about the command du, df, and free command. The du, df, and free command in Linux are essential for checking disk usage, free space, and memory status on a system. And here is the basic breakdown. The du command display the disk usage of files and directories, helping to identify how much space each item is consuming. And the basic syntax is du options, directory name of file. We can check the man page to see how we can able to use the du command. So these are the options. -a, write counts for all files, not just directory. These are the option -b, capital letter B, capital letter C, D, small letter H, human readable, print size in human readable. Example is 1 kilobyte, 234 megabytes, 2 gigabytes. You also have the -k option, like block size equals to 1k. You also have the -l options, small letter l, count size many times if hard linked. The above is the various options, and for me to exit from this place, I'll need to press Q to exit. So let's take for a scenario, we want to display the disk usage of current directory in human readable formats. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, first of all, let me clear my terminal, and I'm going to use the command du -h. The -h, like we saw it on the man page, that it is the -h, which is the human readable. It will make us be able to read it in human formats. Let me do Ctrl C to exit. PKI NSSDB, which is 72 gig. -52 kilobytes, Martego version 4.7.0. So this command will enable you to read your data in human readable format. Another command we can use is du-sh, then the path. Let me clear my terminal. du-home/kali/desktop. This command will show the total size of our desktop directory. So once I hit enter, it's showing us 72 kilobytes. The next command we are going to look at is df command. The df command shows the available and used disk space on all mounted file systems, helping monitor free space. So, and the basic syntax is df and options. Let me clear my terminal. Clear. Basic syntax df options. So that's the basic syntax. And for us to learn more about the df command, we use the manual page, man page, df. So these are the options: the -a, which includes pseudo duplicates, increase file system. We also have the hyphen capital letter B, which scales size before printing them, e.g. hyphen BM, print size in units, and the rest. We also have the hyphen small letter H, which is the human readable. So these are all the options that you need to know more about. So for me to exit the manual page, I'll press Q to exit. Let me clear my terminal. To show inode usage, I will use the command df -i. This command will display inode usage, which is useful when a file system is full due to too many small files. Here we have the file system, we have the inode usage, we have the I use, I free, I use, and mounted on. So the next command we are going to talk about is the free memory usage. The free command displays the current memory usage, including free and used RAM and swap space, providing overview of the system memory status. And the basic syntax for it is free options. That's the basic syntax. To know more about the free command, you can use the manual page, which is the man page, then free, to have more insights about the command. So these are the options that we can be able to use. These are the options. Then one to Q to quit. For example, to display memory usage in human readable format, we use the command free -h. To display memory usage in megabytes, we use the command free -m. The three commands du, df, and free are essential for checking the storage and memory health of a Linux system. They provide quick insights and highly customizable with options for various usage scenarios. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.